Hello students, we have been studying the lesson How Seasons Occur Part 1, Subject Geography Standard 7. In it, before 8 days I told you one activity that is here given here, the chart. To fill this chart I told you, okay, from 19th June to 20th June, sunrise time, sunset time, okay, and the duration means how much the time is for day and how much time is the time for night, okay, and the source of information means from whether you collect the information from calendar or internet, okay, from all the sources you have to write the source. I think all of you have completed this activity. Now if you have completed this chart and fill this chart, then send the photos to my personal account, WhatsApp account, okay. So before we see this lesson, I want to discuss with you some basic information, and then after I will teach the lesson, okay. See here, students, you should know the basic information while we are going to study this lesson how seasons occur, and also you should know how day and night occurs, okay. So first of all I want to discuss you some information, that is, see, occurrence of seasons and day and night, the basic information, okay. See, occurrence of seasons, day and night, and basic information. Basic information we are going to see. See, the earth has two types of motion. The earth has two types of motions, that is rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution. Students, there is much importance for these two words, rotation and revolution, okay. So rotation means the earth when it rounds itself, okay, that is called the rotation, okay. And the revolution means when the earth rounds to the sun, that is revolution, okay. Rotation means the when the earth rotates around itself, okay, it moves, okay, no, it when we give the speed to the ball, okay, it also has the speed, okay, means it rotates, okay, when we give the speed like this way, then it also rotates like that way. Earth also rotates, okay, means earth moves, earth moves. See, if this is the earth and, okay, uh, this is the earth, if this is the earth, then, and it is, okay, it is north pole and it is south pole, okay, from it rotates, means from this side, from west to east it rotates, okay. It makes it rounds itself, it rounds itself, that is the rotation. And revolution means what? If this is the sun, okay, if this, if this is the sun, if this is sun, this is our earth, and earth when it makes the circle around it, okay, like this way, it is the rotation, it is the rotation, it is rotation of the earth. So sorry, it is the revolution of the earth, it is the revolution of the earth around the sun, okay. So completing the one rotation, okay, the earth takes 24 hours, okay, means the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. One rotation means making the circle around itself, okay, making the circle around itself, it takes 24 hours. Okay, and because of this earth's rotation, because of the earth's rotation, day and night occurs. Okay, because of earth's rotation, day and night occur. See here students, the sun is the source of light. Sun is the source of light, and from the sun we get, means earth gets the light, and whichever the part of the earth faces the sun, there is day, and whichever the part does not come before the sun, okay, there is night. Okay, this way. And when the earth rotates around itself, day and night occurs. Okay, means because of the earth's rotation, day and night occurs on the earth. Okay, I'll show here picture. If this is sun, this is earth. Okay, and the sunlight is here falling. Okay, then this that much half part of the earth will face the sun, means here will be light, and this that much part, okay, that much part is behind of this half part. Okay, no, so here will be night, here will be night. This way the earth, there is day and night on the earth. Okay, and it causes only because of the earth's rotation. The second motion of the earth around the sun in its orbit is called revolution. See now, the second motion. Okay, there I told you that there are two motions of the earth. One is rotation and the second is revolution. So the second is revolution, that is the second motion of the earth, and it is around the sun. Okay, in its orbit is called revolution. Okay, in its orbit means the way is there. Orbit means what? Okay, orbit means what? Orbit means there is a certain way. Okay, we have also the way to how to go to Gadinglas. Okay, there is one way to go for the Gadinglas. Okay, so that way the to rotating around the, sorry, to revolving around the sun, there is a certain path, there is a certain path, and that is called orbit. Okay, so when the earth revolves around the sun, okay, it is called the orbit, and certain way is there, that is the orbit. And for completing one revolution around the sun, it earth takes 365 days. 365 days means around the sun to revolve, earth takes 365 days, and one fourth day. Okay, that is not important, you keep this in mind only, 365 days. And for rotating around itself, earth takes 24 hours. Okay, I think is that it is clear to you. Now see the rotation of the earth and its effects. What does happen because of the earth rotation? See, the earth rotates, we are going to see that. First of all, it is necessary to know that the earth rotates from west to east. Okay, earth rotates from west to east, and see here, this is this is our earth. This is our earth. Okay, this is our earth, and this is north, and this is south. And here the earth is, this is east, and this is west side, and the earth rotates from west to east. Okay, from west to east, this way it is rounding. Okay, it is rotating. And then here the earth rotates, okay, from west to east, and then means the eastern side will face the sun first. Okay, eastern side will face the sun first, and our India comes in the eastern hemisphere. Our India comes in the eastern hemisphere, means our India also faces the sun first, and that's why India country is called as eastern country. Okay, eastern country. Why? Because it comes in the eastern hemisphere. Then next information is given here that the earth rotates on its axis, which is tilted at an angle of 23 degree 5 minutes. Okay, tilted means what? Okay, tilted. See, okay, this is the earth, hmm. and this is actually the division of the earth. Okay, but the earth is tilted like this way. The earth is tilted at 23 degree 5 minutes. Okay, it is tilted at 23 degree 5 minutes, and that's why this way the earth is rotating. Okay, actually globe is like this way. Okay, half globe is like this way, but it is tilted, and that's why the if it is rotating like this way, what happens here? It is north, it is south, and this way when means it is tilted like this way, then what happens? This and this is the sun, this is the sun, and means how if the sun is sunlight is falling on the earth, this part will get the sunlight more, and here this south pole it is here. Okay, it will not get the sunlight easily. Okay, or more sunlight will not get. This is southern pole, but on the northern pole the sunlight falls daily. Okay, and this situation remains for the 6 months. Okay, na, this situation remains for the 6 months, and I think all of you know that on the north pole and south pole the day remains for 6 months, and if the on the north pole day is there for 6 months, then on the south pole there is only night. There is only night for the 6 months. Why does it occur, or why this type of situation occurs there? I think all of you got. And and after the 6 months, once again the earth changes its position. Okay, and it is like this way. It is like this way. So this is north, this is south, and this is our sun. So which is north pole or south pole now facing the sun? Okay, this part. Okay, no, here the sun rays will not reach more. Okay, so here is night. Where? On the north pole. On the north pole. This way, because of this also, because of the tilting, it is called as tilting of the earth at 23 degree 5 minutes. Okay, it is tilting of the earth at 23 degree 5 minutes, and because of the tilting of the earth there is the occurrence of seasons. There is occurrence of the seasons on the earth, and that's why students, here also one activity is given in your textbook also, that for the whole year, okay, if you see the shadow of anything does not remain on same place. Okay, it gets changes. Okay, sometimes it goes towards the south, or it goes towards the north, and why it is seen? Because of only tilting of the earth. Okay, now when the earth rotates, the part of the earth, okay, when the earth rotates, the part of the earth facing the sun experience daytime, while the part of the earth away from the sun faces darkness and experience nighttime. Okay, now see, the longitudes are the imaginary vertical lines on the earth. Longitudes, I think all of you remember, I think you are know that longitudes and latitudes, because in the 6th standard you have studied this, but once again I'll show you. The vertical lines are called as longitudes. Okay, and the horizontal lines are called as latitudes. Okay, so these are the longitudes or latitudes are the imaginary lines. Okay, so they run from, or they are drawn from the north pole to south pole, means where it ends at the north and south poles. This way, so the distance between these longitudes or latitudes is measured in degrees. Okay, then the earth takes almost 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, to complete one rotation means how many degrees are there? That is 360 degrees are there. 300 360 degrees are there. 360 means vertical. How many vertical longitudes are there? That is 360 vertical longitudes. That is longitudes are there, and they are measured in degrees. Okay, means the earth rotates by 360 degree. Means in one rotation, the earth completes 360 degree, means it completes one rotation in 24 hours. In 24 hours. Okay, now I think all of you got this. Okay, once again students, all of you means pausing the video, all of you write this information in your notebook. Okay, uh, you should know the basic information about it, then after you will understand the lesson whatever I'm going to teach you. Okay, all of you also write this all information written here. Okay, this is the information. Hmm. And you write down in your notebook and send the photos of it also. Okay, that charts also photo, that is sunrise, sunset, daytime, night times, that chart is given to you. That also photo, and this notes information now I discuss with you, that all information you should write in your notebook and send the photos of it. Okay, okay, we stop here.